What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, we got a lot going on. Summer is officially here. We're about 2 weeks out from Ford takeover. I'm feeling the stress, see the bags under my eyes, but we got a lot going on. Let's get right into it. Let's do it. All right, it's the task of the day. We're gonna get Brente's engine out.
Yeah.
So we can scrap this car and get the rest of the wiring off. It shouldn't be too hard. Unbolt this thing, drop her down. Everywhere. So update is the entire wiring harness is gutted, front to rear from the car. All we have left is right here, and the actual bolts come in from behind the inside of the firewall. So we got to get the engine out to unbolt all that, and then the last of it will be out. But for now, we'll get this beast out of here. It's the moment of truth. We're hooked right here. There's another plug. I don't even know where that's going.
Let me lay it back down a bit.
Yeah.
Put it down.
Maybe you're in the bottom of that. Dude, your engine's almost out. Are you ready? Are you ready? There it is. That was the only thing I saw.
Engine harness.
We've almost harvested our goodies.
I got the AC line loose here because it's still attached to the compressor on this thing.
Yeah.
13 there.
Uh-oh. I think that battery cable's, yeah, hooked on that AC line. All right.
Is it good?
Yeah. Still hooking up.
Something kind of hanging.
It might be that battery.
Oh, I still got a connection up here.
I thought you had that unplugged.
Going through the fuse box here.
Oh, shit. Can the fuse box come out of the car?
Well, you just gotta undo this.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's so close. Probably need to like pet it and be like, dude, it's out. I know you're getting excited now.
I am very.
Yes, sir. Nothing to it but to do it.
Y'all excited? I'm gonna be excited.
You're excited to scrap the car. Man,
I
there's...
see it going in the other car though. That's nice.
Yeah, that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be fun.
I'll give you $1,000 for that.
Alex trying to buy your engine out from underneath you.
Slide the whole thing.
Dude, what is it? We're growing regular cab short beds out here?
I think so.
Bill's truck looking good. Alex, is one of your babies is here. You miss it, don't you? Nah.
Nah, I don't. Never miss
You just build them. Yeah, guys. If y'all remember, this is Alex's second creation, and of course we got Bill's here. We ain't seen this truck in a while. If y'all don't know. All right, and go. I've been in some seriously fast vehicles. This thing is a blast. This truck's badass. Dinkin's got it now. Full lariat interior, everything. Now this isn't the Whipple truck. You guys have been on the channel a while. Yeah, I know y'all remember this. The Odin F-150. Secretly, I've told Dinkins I need to buy this truck when he gets bored with it, because it matches my lifted truck. I don't think he's gonna sell it though. Well, it's officially summer, right? I mean, dude.
Oh yeah.
If y'all don't know, Brente can kill it on the grill. How long them things been soaking in beer?
Oh, a whole day. A whole day.
But not Bud Light, right?
But not Bud Light.
Not
no.
Bud Light.
No, we don't do that.
Oh my God, I can't wait.
Oh.
All right, boys, so that is pretty much gonna wrap this one up. Great freaking day getting Brente's Yodi out. So we'll be making big strides. Probably got to start stripping his car down pretty quick and get all that swapped over. It's gonna be a fun build. Make sure you're subscribed, guys. We got a ton more stuff coming. Make sure you're at Ford Takeover. You're already about 2 weeks out at the time this video is dropping. So I will see all of you guys at Ford Takeover. Big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Catch you next time.